Urbana city officials and police want to expand their support for those dealing with mental health issues and increase public safety in the process. Fox Champaign's Hunter McKee is here in the studio to explain what the city council is proposing. Hunter.
Doug, the state of Illinois budget impasse has impacted mental health services hard. Over in Urbana, the number of encounters law enforcement officers have had with people dealing with mental health issues has spiked. They say one of the first steps to helping them is knowing the signs. Increasing support for mental health services in Illinois has been an ongoing battle since the Illinois budget impasse. Recently, the Urbana City Council presented a proposal that would get law enforcement more involved in identifying those suffering from mental health issues.
There's not provision for that individual getting mental health services on a sustained basis, and we're saying that has to be put into place.
Currently, Champaign County is applying for a grant from the Justice Department, and Urbana officials are in full support. If awarded, the grant money would be used for police officer training, so they better evaluate each individual in bringing in mental health experts to work with the police department.
Recognition of people who are experiencing mental crisis or those experiencing substance abuse issues, that's an important part of law enforcement.
The other aspect is when identifying mental illness, helping that person find long-term help.
And providing the opportunity to get some assistance as opposed to put them into jail where they may not get better.
The more awareness there is, the more humanistic approach can be toward approaching a person that may have a mental health condition.
In the past year, Urbana officers have seen 725 interactions with someone experiencing mental illness. That's 2 cases every day. But in the previous 5 years before that, it was less than half that number.
And this, I think, is really related to the decline in mental health services that are available.
And this resolution will go through first vote through the Urbana City Council next week. In the studio, I'm Hunter McKee, Fox Champaign News at 5:30.